Staying with Maharashtra, what is really cooking in Maharashtra? Our friends turn foes, BJP and Shiv Sena, friends again. Back-to-back statements by Devendra Fadnavis and Sanjay Raut have sparked a speculation of Maha realignment. Sanjay Raut, in fact, compared the BJP-Sena ties to Amir Khan-Kiran Rao relationship. It was a strange analogy, but he did so, saying that the former allies are not enemies. Is Maha Vikas Aghadi Sarkar said to be quaked by this newfound bromance? Here's a look.
कि हम क्या भारत पाकिस्तान है, हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान नहीं है ना ये। आप देखो आमिर खान और किरण राव रास्ते अलग हो गए लेकिन दोस्त हैं। बोला ना वैसे है ये।
That is Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut describing the love-hate relationship between the Shiv Sena and the BJP. Since the formation of the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government, there has always been speculation of the Shiv Sena returning to its old ally. The rumour mills got a new life with Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray's Delhi visit on June 8th, ostensibly to raise the Maratha quota issue. Thackeray's meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi lasted almost 40 minutes. And the Maharashtra Chief Minister's comments after the meeting became the talk of the town.
आज राजनीतिक रूप में देखें तो हम उनके साथ नहीं हैं, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमारा रिश्ता टूट गया है। मैंने कल भी बात कही थी, मेरे एक साक्षात्कार में शायद लोकसत्ता ने लिया था तब, तो इसमें कोई गलत बात नहीं है कि मैं अगर मिलूं, मैं कोई नवाज शरीफ से नहीं मिलने गया था, तो ऐसे अगर उनको कुछ मिले, मैं एक व्यक्तिगत रूप में मिलूं, अगर मैं मिल भी लूँ, आज भी अभी मेरे साथी हैं उनको कहूँगा कि मुझे दोबारा जाकर मिलना है, तो गलत बात क्या है उसमें?
Political pundits at that time speculated that the PM-CM talks were in response to another one, a mystery meet between Sharad Pawar and Amit Shah in Ahmedabad just a month before.
Even though NCP has clarified it many times that there was no meeting happened between Sharad Pawar and Amit Shah in Ahmedabad, Uddhav Thackeray, it seems, is not ready to believe it. And he wants to send a strong message that it's not only Pawar, but even he shares a good relations with the BJP top brass despite what happened in 2019 between Shiv Sena and BJP.
The demand for Sena-BJP reunion came first from Shiv Sainik MLA Pratap Sarnaik. The MLA suggested a Sena-BJP alliance will stop harassment from central agencies. Incidentally, Sarnaik is facing an ED probe in 2 cases.
राज्याच्या संघर्षामध्ये काही लोकप्रतिनिधींचा जो बळी जातोय त्यामध्ये एक प्रताप सरनाईक आहे आणि त्यामुळे ईडीचा ससेमिरा मागे आहे, न्यायालयीन प्रक्रिया त्याच्यामध्ये चालू आहे. त्यामुळे जास्त कुठलाही सोशल मीडिया किंवा मीडियाच्या माध्यमातून समोर न जाता आपल्या माध्यमातून जेवढे जास्तीत जास्त लोकांसाठी काम करता येईल तेवढा प्रयत्न माझा आहे आणि त्याची.
The BJP is denying any outreach to the Shiv Sena but has gone soft on its former ally.
आमच्यात शत्रुत्व नव्हतंच ना कधी. शत्रू थोडी होता आम्ही. आमचे वैचारिक मतभेद झाले कारण आमचा हात सोडून आमच्यासोबत निवडून आलेले आमचे मित्र आमचा हात सोडून ज्यांच्या विरुद्ध निवडून आले त्यांचा हात पकडून निघून गेले. त्याच्यामुळे मतभेद उभे झाले ना. ते काही धुऱ्याचा वाद थोडी आहे की म्हणजे सुधीर भाऊचा धुरा काही उद्धवजीच्या धुऱ्याला लागू नये आणि त्यांनी यांच्या धुऱ्यावर काही अतिक्रमण केलं असं नाही आहे.
The recent legislative council elections, all 3 parties of the Maha Vikas Aghadi contested together and won comfortably. Now this had sent warnings to the BJP that if all the 3 parties contest together in the 2024 elections, this would mean trouble for the Bharatiya Janata Party that has won 42 seats from Maharashtra in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Just like in the Shiv Sena, there is a section in the BJP that also believes that we should also go back to the tried and tested ally, Shiv Sena.
The series of statements by Thackeray, Sanjay Raut and Devendra Fadnavis have set the political corridors abuzz. Nearly 2 years after Thackeray broke ranks with the BJP, is Maharashtra going to witness a new act in the political drama that has seen many twists already? With Sahil Joshi and Kamlesh Sutar, Bureau Report, India Today.